What's up guys, John McLennan here. Hope you're doing fantastic, and in today's lesson I'm going to show you how to play Imagine by John Lennon. This lesson is geared more to people that play with a pick. I also have a fingerstyle version on YouTube you can check out as well, but this is going to be in the original key and you should be able to play this right along with the original recording, and it's just a great simple accompaniment for this song. So you could use this to play behind a singer or sing yourself. Before we get into the lesson though, make sure to hit the thumbs up button, and any comment below is greatly appreciated for the YouTube algorithm. Also, you can leave requests below. I'm doing a ton of video lessons on songs, so get your request in the comments below. All right, let's break it down. The first section is the verse, and it's also played for the intro, the same progression. Here's what it sounds like. We're using three chords here, C, C major 7, and F. And I'm kind of breaking up the strings. So I'll start out on the C chord, which is from the A string down, 3, 2, open, 1, open. And I'm actually going to put my pick on the D string to start and give a little strum down, and then I'll play the root. So I've separated the bass notes. I'm going to go and just strum, then pick the bass note, strum, then pick the bass note. And these are eighth notes. We're going to count 1 and 2 and 3, and then on the fourth beat, we're going to go to C major 7. So we'll just lift off our first finger. Then we're going to go to F. This is like a little F here. We're going to play from the D string down, third finger on the 3rd fret, second finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, and first finger does a bar covering B and E, the B and E strings on the 1st fret. So that's F. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to separate the root notes. So we're going to strum from the G string down and then pick the D string. So C, C major 7, F sounds like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and... Then on the 4th beat, if you want, you can do this piano fill. If it's too hard, you can just leave it out and just stay on the F and then go back to the C. But that's a nice little lick I picked up from, I believe, the Ava Cassidy version of this. I was recording with a singer one time from Australia, and she wanted to do a cover of that. And so I learned that version, and I've always kind of stole that lick every time I've played this. So you play the open A string, and we're going to do a hammer-on to the 1st fret with our 1st finger, and then another hammer-on to the 2nd fret. So it's a double hammer-on. And then we go to the C chord again. That's on the 4th beat. It's a triplet. We can count it like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. So we're going to do this for our intro and the verse. It's going to go 4 times for the verse. Then we'll be on this F chord. The last time we won't play that lick, and we'll go into the pre-chorus. Imagine all the people. So that's our pre-chorus there, and we're starting on the F chord. We're going to give 2 strums, 1, 2, then we're going to go to C, but you can put the E in the bass, which is a nice sound. And then we're going to play D minor, which is from the D string down, open, 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the G string. I'm going to put my pinky on the 3rd fret of the B string and 1st finger on the 1st fret of the E string. The reason is we're going to walk the bass. We're going to go D minor, then to D minor over C. So we'll add our 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the A string. 2 strums each. So we'll go 1, 2, add the 3rd finger. Then we're going to go to G for a measure. And I play G like this. 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the low E string. mute the A string, then D, G, B, open, and pinky on the 3rd fret of the E string. So we'll do 4 strums there. Living life, and then we'll make it a G7 and just do a whole note there, and that's where the melody goes. So that G7 is 3, 2, open, 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 1. And then we're back to the verse. So let me play that whole pre-chorus section for you, starting with the F. 3, 4. Imagine all to the G. 2, 3, 4, then we go back, we play the verse again, then we do that pre-chorus section again. Now the second time we play that pre-chorus, we're going to hit the G7. And we're going to go to the chorus. The chorus sounds like this. You may say I'm a dreamer. So that's our chorus section there. We're going to spend 2 beats on each chord, and the progression is F to G to C, and then we have a new chord, E7. E7 is open E, 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, open D, 1st finger on the 1st fret of the G string, open B and open E. We'll do 2 strums there, and then we'll go and repeat the progression. But I'm not the only one. Just 2 strums. We'll do that 3 times. F, G, C, E7. Then on the 4th time, we're gonna go F, G, C, and just play those first 3 chords. Now, when we end the song, that's how we end it. We go, and the world, we just end on that C. But the first time we play the chorus, we can go like this. F, G, C, then G. And that G chord is like a turnaround chord and takes us back to the top. So first time you play the chorus, you play the G. The second time, you just end on the C. There you go, guys. That's the whole song. I hope that this lesson gives you a cool, fun way to play it. Have fun practicing, going along with the recording. Playing the verse and separating the bass notes requires accuracy with your strumming hand, so work on that. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and make sure you're subscribed to our channel. We've got tons of video lessons being added that are really going to help your playing. If you're interested in learning about soloing, you can click the link in the description and get a free PDF that's over 100 pages long that's all about soloing. That's my gift to you. Thank you so much for your support. We'll see you in the next lesson.